Sadin, let me just do it for you. Just look for this equation here. From this equation, it's very clear. 2 moles of acid produces 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Is that clear for you?
Okay, so why aren't we taking the water into account too?
Can you repeat?
Why aren't we taking the water molecules, the H2O, into account too?
But what is
It's
the
also
need
a
of
part of the equation.
yeah, that is also part. That is the beauty of stoichiometric equation I told yesterday. What is needed matters for us. The thing which is not asked, you need not worry about that. Are you getting me?
Okay.
Now we read the second part. Calculate the volume in cubic centimeter of carbon dioxide gas produced when 2.3 gram of methanoic acid. When 2.3.
Okay, so we're supposed to see how much of carbon dioxide is produced from the 2 molecules of methanoic acid.
Yeah, if water is given, you can make use of water, but no information on water is given. So what do you do? How can you make
I just
use?
look at the carbon dioxide.
Yeah. Just you're looking at product side, but no other information on water is given. So how do you compare and how do you calculate? Did you get my point?
Yeah.
So equation is balanced. So I only have the mass of acid. So I have to take moles of this and moles of this. You just kick away this and this. You're not worried about those because I got only the information on acid. So with the help of the information on acid, I'm calculating the moles of acid as per the experiment. This is as per theory, Sadin. This is as per theory, as per theoretical equation. But as for the experiment, this is the mass of acid used. So my first job is converting this into moles. Okay, that's what you did, I guess. So then when you do that, you get these moles. Now I'll compare 2 moles producing 1 mole because they asked about carbon dioxide. You may ask me, sir, why I'm not using water? Did they ask about water? Only about carbon dioxide. So why are you worried about water? This is not needed. This is not needed. This is not needed. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So now I got the moles. As for the theory, 2 moles of acid is producing 1 mole of carbon dioxide. But as for your experiment or as for your question, you got only 0.05. So 0.05 will produce how many moles of carbon dioxide? So that you said like 0.025. Is that?
Yeah.
Now your moles are ready. The moles of gas that is released in this experiment is ready. Make use of these moles. Make use of these moles to calculate molar volume. Is it okay? Or to calculate volume of a gas. So volume of a gas, they asked in cubic centimeters. So volume of a gas is equal to volume of a gas is equal to moles into 24,000. So how many moles you have? 0.025, then 24,000. Whatever you get, you'll get it. Is it okay?
Yeah. Okay. Is there any other question, sir? Like similar question?
I'll find it. Similar question.
Okay. Calculate the volume of carbon dioxide produced at a room temperature and pressure when excess of DL.HCl is dilute.
Yeah, DL means dilute. Yeah.
Is added to 100 of
grams of calcium carbonate. So here the things become more complex. Now you have to write a equation first. Okay. See, I'll give the
Okay.
equation for you. CaCO3 plus HCl gives rise to CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. Now check whether the equation is balanced or not.
It's not.
Then you have to balance. First step, balancing. Okay, I don't want to waste your time in balancing. Just I need to do it. Now it's balanced. So 1 mole of
I'm
calcium
sure.
carbonate reacting with
So the
2
screen
moles
is not. The screen
is not seen.
is not showing. No. Okay, yeah, now I can see.
It's lagging because of network. Okay, dear.
Okay. So
So
you put how much beside the CaCO? I can't see. 1 or 2?
1 only. Here I put 2. 1 mole of CaCO3 reacts with 2 moles of HCl to produce 1 mole of calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Again, my job is to look for carbon dioxide and to look for calcium carbonate because these are the things given for me. Is it
Okay,
okay?
yes. 1 second. Yes.
So now mass is given. So what is your first step? You already
Find
put
the moles.
moles. Very good. Can you find the moles of 100 grams of calcium carbonate?
Yes, I'm supposed to. Okay, I'll just refer calcium. Okay, so 1 second, huh? It's also 100. So the MR for CaCO3 is 100.
Very good. So then moles is equal to?
100 divided by 100.
Yeah. It's 1.
It's 1.
Very good. So now
So
1 is producing 1. So you got 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Yes, sir. So
yeah,
now things are
yeah.
easy for you. You got the moles. Moles of carbon dioxide, moles of CO2 is equal to 1. Then volume is equal to, what is the formula? Volume is equal to?
1 second. I'm supposed to express in how much, sir? DM or CM?
Yeah, you suppose you should express in cubic centimeters.
Okay. So then it's 24,000.
That's all. It's 24,000.
Okay. Okay, sir. I got it.
Okay. So it's always a 50%
So I should always
match.
look at the equation first.
Yeah, you
right?
always look at the question, what is given, what they are asking. It's not what you have learned. This is a mistake we most of us do. Mostly, so what you do is whatever you learn in your previous question, you will be applying the same thing. But the question may not be the same.
Yeah.
Yes or no? So that's what. So
Yeah.
what is asked in the question and what are the things you can get from the information in the question? So 99% they give the mass here. 100% I can say.
Okay. Maybe sometimes I need to find the MR on my own, right?
Yeah, that's all. So then
Okay, so
moles
first I
you're
should
finding.
look at the equation.
Yeah,
First I should look
moles
at the
you're
equation.
finding. Yeah.
Balance to know.
Then first
And then
job.
I will find the moles.
Yeah, very good. Then compare the moles with your equation. Please don't just
Yes.
directly use them. In here,
Yes.
1:1
The
is
problem
given.
I did was I directly used them without comparing them to the equation. I need to
Yeah.
see if the same, like if same number is produced, right?
Yes, yes, very good. So whether the molar ratio is same or not, you have to think of that. If not, make use of crisscross method. Find the moles produced, then multiply that with the molar volume, that is 24,000 or 24 if they ask in DMQ.
Yes. If the same number is produced, sir, then I can just go ahead and convert or
there is
express right away, right?
Yeah, that's all. But if it is 4-mark question, you have to write the step also. Okay, volume is equal
So
to moles.
just take
Moles
steps that
into,
we did.
yes, again.
Same steps that we did here. Like
Yeah,
I just
yeah.
to find the number of moles.
Except these 3 steps, you don't get any other way. Okay, you don't get questions in any other way.
Yeah, okay.
I'll try to find some similar questions from the past papers. Right there. This is from your textbook. So what is the
Sir, I'm still having trouble with balancing the equations. Like I don't know
that
why.
comes through practice here. That comes just trial and error method. Just try this. You'll get.
It's like a puzzle game. You balance
Yeah.
this something else.
It comes. It's like a puzzle only.
So the aluminium are balanced, right?
Yes.
It's just the hydrogens and the chlorine, they're not balanced.
Yes. First, try to balance the chlorine first, or try to balance hydrogen. First, better to balance chlorine.
Why, sir? Is it because the most complex one?
Yeah, that's what it's trial and error method. Whatever you get, you try to do. Fast.
Okay, can I put a 3 beside the HCl on the reactant side? So then there'll be equal chlorine atoms on both sides. But then I messed up the hydrogen.
Yes.
So can I put a 3 or a 2 beside the H2 on the product side?
First, I'm balancing chlorine, so I do this.
Okay, I put a 3 here.
But 3 hydrogens you cannot make here. So what I do is I'll try to balance aluminium first then. Okay.
Aluminium is already balanced.
Yeah, but still what I do is, okay, that's what it's trial and error method. So let me make this chlorines even here. This side you have 1, this side you have 3.
3,
okay.
Yeah.
Let me make them even, means I can multiply this with 2. Now this side I got 6 chlorines I have. Leave off other things. We'll balance other things later. Now 6 chlorines I have. Do you agree with that? 2 3 is 6.
Yeah.
So here only 1 chlorine is there. So multiplying this with 6 is easy. Okay.
Okay.
Now 6 hydrogens you have. We'll talk about aluminum later. 6 hydrogens we have. So this side how many hydrogens we have? 2.
2.
Can I multiply this with 3?
Yeah.
Alas. Now only the problem is with aluminum. You got 2 aluminum. I put 2 here.
Yeah. Okay. It's just the putting the big numbers and doing this, like I forget to multiply sometimes. That's why I get it wrong.
Yeah, that you need to have a lot of practice with balancing. That's all. That's only the solution. But 1 or 2 questions on balancing, you don't get much. but this is a basis to make some calculations. So I'm training
Yeah.
you guys in all the way, like they may not ask this tough one, but when you prepare for a tough one, it's easy, right?
Yeah.
And this is from your textbook one. So
Sir,
Sadin,
when school starts, we're going to do past paper like practice, right?
yeah, after this, I'll pick all sorts of questions based on chemical equations and reactions part 1 and part 2. Then again, if you
Yeah.
get a doubt over there, Alex. Sadin, this is your homework. But today, Sadin, I need to go to hospital with my wife. So today I'll be winding up. Okay.
Okay.
Next week, Thursday, I'll finish your electrolysis. Is that okay?
Yes, yes. No problem.
So as per my instructions, by now 6 lessons we've done. Is that okay? Dave?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we'll see then. Okay, next week onwards, these 6 lessons, you can now inform your sisters. We've done 6 lessons for this month. Then next week onwards, again, we keep a count.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear, sir. What? Keep it what?
We'll keep a count. So how many we were doing. So probably
Yes, yes.
weekly 2 lessons I'll be doing.
Yes.
So I think today you understood. You just go through the textbook. The same I picked from textbook only. Just you try to understand from there. If not, you can send voice messages on my WhatsApp. I'll help you.
Okay, yes. Thank you, sir. I'll inform my sister today that we did like total of 6 lessons. Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Tell her
Okay.
it
Hi,
is
sir.
9. Tell her it's 9, but we consider only 6.
Okay.
Right. See you then.
Bye.
Bye, Sadin.